Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about Volatility Crush, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Coach's education platform. Enjoy guys.
All right, so what I want you to pay attention to is this event, and this is an event as well. Where this drop off actually happens can be variable. It can be anywhere from here to here, but it will drop off. This event right here, and then this event right here, this one we're trying to play with the big ass fly. This one we're hoping to play with our out of the money fly. With the big ass fly though, if you stay inside the butterfly, you can take advantage of both of these events. What are these events? These are volatility crush. So in other words, the volatility is dropping off like that. When volatility drops off, the acceleration of premium decay increases like this. And so in a butterfly, what that looks like is that in that initial part of the day where it might look like this, like say right around here, if you get this first event, you'll get something that looks like this in an hour, and you'll get a nice little bump. And then it will be growing and growing. It might come up to here. And then you get to this point in the day, and then you get another acceleration where it will go from here up to here like that. So those are those two events. If you don't get this middle event, then it's just a slow growth up like that, or a slow growth and then acceleration into here. But that's what you're looking for. This first event is going to happen somewhere between after economic reports and the open, or if you have reports that happen right after it, somewhere in there. The second one happens typically around noontime or the beginning of the afternoon session. So that's anywhere from like 12 to about 1:30 is when you can expect this other big move. When I say big move, it's not a big move in the market. It's an acceleration of the premium decay, which means that your fly gets filled up faster, all right? And it'll accelerate, but then it will continue to accelerate as the day goes on. Now, we could do a study of this, but I'm telling you, this is basically what happens. A study that I did a while back illustrates this as well, but not without talking about the economic reports, because I'm just going to talk about now the market. This is a study I did a couple of years ago on the growth of premium at the money inside of a butterfly at the center strikes. And the biggest thing that I'm showing in this particular study is just the difference between the rate of growth and the width. And so you can see that while you would expect the width to contribute way more total growth, what you'll also see is that the rate of growth for an increasing width is actually faster as well. But you'll see that the rate of growth really starts to pick up right around here, which is midday. Now, I don't even go up to 50, but I mean, this is kind of illustrative. It's hard to see in the numbers, but you can certainly see it in the plot of the growth and how that volatility curve changes. So you can kind of see it. There's a move like this. It basically goes and then up. So in the course of a day, let's see, what would be another way to illustrate this? I don't know if I'm reaching any of you about this, but so this would be morning, economic reports, open, midday, close. All right, so this is the closing session. This is the afternoon session. This is the morning session. And then this is the morning. And so if you're talking about premium decay, this is kind of how it typically goes. It'll be going along like this, and then up a little bit, and then kind of go around, and then as it gets here, then it goes like this.
Right, makes sense.
Right, these are the two events where you start gaining a lot of your profitability are right here and right here. So there's a big change, like right around here, and there's a big change right around here. So if you're in a big ass fly and the conditions are right, and right after those morning reports come out, there's usually a really good opportunity to make quick profits.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.